Okay, with this video we'll demonstrate Mk10. While this we do not use the locking knob while we take spot samples. So we can see here our sampler is open. I close it, lower it down, we open the valve, lock our knob here, and off we go. Wait about 10 seconds. Use our wiper. Ready to take the sample. Remember, this time I don't use the locking knob. Two things happen. Pushing our spout down is pushing the sampler upwards. The sampler is closed, so it doesn't release the vacuum at the top for the liquid to come down, to empty. So let's see now, we use our locking knob, and there it is. You can see our sampler is open. We can close the sampler now. There it is, closed, without having to touch the sampler.